Hey my loves, I'm back with this video to answer a few questions that were asked in our previous eyebrow tutorial video. So someone asked if they should use brown eyeliner pencil or black, but then I replied it's better you use both. You start by lining with the brown pencil, filling with less pressure towards the beginning of your brow and adding a little bit more pressure at the end. And then now, after filling in with the brown pencil, you go in with your black pencil or black eyeliner gel. Let's get our black eyeliner gel now. Black eyeliner gel. Yeah. So our black eyeliner gel will fill in lightly, not with pressure. We just make sure that the edge of the eyebrows is darker than the beginning. So fill in. So we do this mixture to make it look more natural. And then you get the spoolie, you brush the beginning of the brows to fade out any strong lines. For a more natural look, like I said, we'll go in with our lighter shade concealer under the brows. Another person asked or was worried that she cannot conceal properly because it ends up cleaning the eyebrow what she drew. And I said you must put the concealer away from the brows. Don't come too close to the brows as a beginner. But if you are used to doing it, then you start a little bit away from the brows, then you come gently, because even if you do it, by the time to clean up the concealer, you will clean the brows. So we'll go now with our darker shade concealer, our skin tone, and then we clean up the upper part of the eyebrows. Now after cleaning the uppermost part of the eyebrows, we get our clean brush to pick up the excess concealer, clean it up. Clean. Now make sure we blend it in. You can use your finger as well, or you can also use a cotton wool. And there we go. It's already out and looking so beautiful and more natural that way when you mix both black and brown pencil or eyeliner gel. Now we're gonna get our spoolie to fit in the beginning once more, and also make sure we clean up any excess concealer around that point. And this is the final look, guys. Hope it's beautiful. See you in my next video.